Hello everyone! So, good day. Meron na naman tayong problem dito na lumabas noong November 2025 under PSAD naman ito. Okay? Under PSAD. Okay? So, ito yung problem, no? May situation. So, kapag PSAD, situational talaga yan, class. So, a rectangular reinforced concrete beam has a width of 320 millimeters and an overall depth of 520 millimeters. So, ito yung mga given sa atin. Given ang FC prime, FY, FYT. Okay, so kapag FY, yan yung para sa ating main bars, tsaka yung FYT naman, yan yung para sa ating stirrups. Okay? So, effective cover is 70 millimeters, and then balance steel ratio. So, given. Meron ding reduction factor for flexure, 0.9, reduction factor for shear is 0.75. So, itong situation na to, no, is under reinforced concrete design or RCD sa PSAD. Okay, so ito yung mga tanong sa atin. Yan, first question. If AS is 425 millimeter diameter bars and AS prime is 225 millimeter diameter bars are used, determine the design moment capacity PMN of the beam. Okay, ito yung mga choices. And then number 2, if AS naman daw is 625 millimeter diameter bars and AS prime is 43 and AS prime is 420 millimeter diameter bars are used, determine the design moment capacity of the beam. So yung mga choices. And then number 3, if 12 millimeter diameter used stirrups are spaced at 110 millimeters are used, and allowable concrete shear stress is 0.93 MPa, determine the design shear capacity of the beam. So ito yung mga questions sa ating class. And then, nung lumabas ito noong November 2025, no, isang item dito class is sinulaan ko lang. Kasi for me, masyadong mataas yung solution and naubusan ako ng time that time. Okay? So, sagutan muna natin itong number 1. Okay, number 1 muna class. Ayan, ito yung tanong sa atin, number 1. If AS is 425 millimeter diameter bars and AS prime is 225 millimeter diameter bars are used, determine the design moment capacity of the beam. So, given tayo dito ng AS, okay? Given tayo dito ng AS at saka AS prime. So, meaning ba nun, doubly reinforced na kaagad itong beam na ito? So, tingnan natin. So, ang base daw is 320 millimeters, ang total depth is 520 millimeters. Given tayo ng AS, given tayo ng AS prime. So, di ba kapag merong ganito yung form ng ating beam, merong AS tsaka AS prime, doubly reinforced concrete na ba ito kagad? So, hindi pa, no? So, let's check muna yung steel ratio nila. So, kunin muna natin yung effective depth class. So, given sa atin dito is 70 mm effective cover. So, 520 minus 70 lang class. Makukuha mo na yung effective depth ng ating beam, which is equal to 450 millimeters. So, check muna natin if totoo ba na ito ay doble reinforced beam. Okay? Ang hinahanap sa atin dito is design moment capacity. So, kapag naghahanap tayo ng design moment capacity class, this type of problem is investigation. Okay? Ini-investigate natin kung ano yung capacity ng ating beam. Okay? So, ngayon, paano ba naman natin malaman kung doble ba ito or singly? Ganito lang. Kunin mo lang yung actual steel ratio ng ating beam. Okay? Paano ba kunin yun? Yung given AS over BD. Yung width ng beam, multiply mo ng effective depth ng ating beam. So, ano ba yung AS class? Given naman yung AS, apat na 25 mm diameter na bars. So, ito yon. Ito yung area na yon. AS. Area ng steel natin, steel reinforcement. So, apat na 20 mm diameter bars. So, area lang to ng circle class. Over B. Ano yung B? 320. And then yung effective depth natin na D, which is equal to 450. Kuha mo dito yung actual steel ratio. So, 0.0136. So, saan mo ba ito i-compare para malaman mo na singly or doubly yung beam mo? Okay? I-compare mo ito ngayon sa Romax TC. Ano ba yung Romax TC? This is the maximum steel ratio under tension controlled na beam. Okay? So, ito yung formula niya. 0.85 FC prime over Fy times beta 1 times 3 over 8. Okay. Yun na yun. Ito yung sabi sa code natin ha. NSCP 2015. Ngayon, yung beta 1 natin, hindi yan basta-bastang makukuha. Kasi, di ba, yung beta 1 natin, di ba, ang beta 1 natin, ito, wait lang class. Di ba, beta 1 is equal to 0.85 if yung FC prime mo is less than 28 or less than or equal. Ayan. So, ang given naman sa atin dito is FC prime is equal to 30. So, greater than siya. So, hindi mo ito magagamit. Okay? So, ang formula kapag, sabi to sa NSCP 2015 na, kapag yung FC prime mo is greater than 30, greater than 28, ito yung formula ng beta mo. So, that is 0.85. 0.85 minus 0.05 times yung FC prime na given, bawasan mo ng 28 over 7. So, ganyan lang. Ito na yun. So, ang FC prime natin is 30. And then, yung minus 28 over 7, makukuha mong beta 1 dito class is 0.0836. So, ngayon, makukuha natin itong maximum still ratio under tension controlled na beam. Ito na yun. So, 0.85 times FC prime. FC prime is 30 over FY na 415. And then, times 0.0836 na beta. Beta 1. Yan yung nakuha natin kanina. Times 3 over 8. So, makukuha mo ditong maximum still ratio under tension control is 0.0192. Ngayon, i-compare mo ito sa actual still ratio. So, by comparing the two values, no, we can conclude na yung maximum still ratio under tension control is greater than our actual still ratio. Okay? Mas malaki yung maximum still ratio under tension control compared sa actual na still ratio na na-compute natin kanina. So, kapag ganito, no, makaka-conclude tayo na ang ating beam is singly reinforced beam lang. So, kahit na given yung AS prime at saka AS atin, hindi mo masasabi na automatically doble yung pag-investigate mo ng beam nito. So, need mo pang i-compare yung actual still ratio sa maximum still ratio under tension control para masabi mo na singly reinforced beam or doubly reinforced beam. So, kapag singly reinforced beam yung investigation sa atin, madali lang to class. Okay? Basic lang yung solution dito. Ganito lang. Okay? Yan. So, ganito yung solution kapag nag-investigate tayo ng beam under singly reinforced beam. Okay? So, ang first step dyan is hanapin mo yung Rn or yan yung coefficient of moment mo, yung R sub n, di ba? So, meron yung formula na M sub U over phi B D squared. Okay? So, modify mo lang yung equation natin, makukuha mo ang MU as equal to phi Rn BD squared. Okay? So, meron din tayong another formula for R sub n natin, no? In terms of rho naman ito. So, that is rho times Fy minus rho times Fy squared over 1.7 times Fc prime. So, itong formula na to, ilagay mo dito class. Okay? And then, factor out natin itong rho Fy. Okay? Ang makukuha mong formula dito, yung shortcut is ito. Okay? Nilabas ko lang yung rho Fy. Ayan, from here. So, magiging 1 ito. So, phi Rn BD squared. So, ito yung Rn. Nilabas ko yung rho Fy. So, phi rho Fy BD squared times 1 minus rho Fy over 1.7 Fc prime. So, ito lang yung madalas kong ginagamit kapag investigation ng singly reinforced beam. So, madali mo lang ito makuha class. So, kung ako sa inyo, ito na lang yung kabisaduhin nyo. Pero wag nyo rin itong kalibutan. Okay? Basta, itong formula na ito is galing lang dito. Okay? So, dali lang yan. Given tayo ng phi. So, ano ba yung phi? Kapag ganito nga yung ganito yung condition natin, no? Ito. So, you will use phi as equal to 0.9. Kasi tension controlled yung beam natin kapag ganito yung magiging condition natin. Okay, given ka na ng phi. Yung rho natin, gagamitin natin is rho actual. And then yung Fy given, yung B given, yung D given, yung rho, given lahat class. So, substitute na lang. Ganyan. Yung phi natin, gagamitin natin is 0.9. Yung rho natin, nakuha natin kanina, 0.0136. And then yung Fy natin is 415. Yung B natin is 320. Ganyan. And then yung effective depth naman natin is 450. Square mo yan. Tapos, 1 minus rho, 0.0136. Nakuha natin kanina. and then times Fy, 415, over 1.7. So, wala to class. Okay, typo lang yan. So, 1.7 times 30. So, ang kalalabasan nito is 292.731 times 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. So, divide nyo lang ng 1 million class. Makukuha nyo ditong answer is 292.731 kilonewton meter. So, ito na yung moment capacity ng ating beam. That is letter D. Okay? So, ganyan lang kasimple, class. First step is compare nyo muna yung mga steel ratio, and then kung SRB, ito yung gamitin nyo na formula. Okay? Ako sa inyo, memorize nyo na itong formula nito. So, madali lang to. Madali lang to i-memorize. Okay, ito. Ganyan. Para automatic na substitute na lang kayo. Okay? So, number 2 tayo. Question number 2. Yan. Ito yung question number 2 natin, class.